Hello and welcome to this video on C strings. If you're new to programming or are just starting to learn C, you may have heard the term C string before but aren't quite sure what it means. In this video, we'll be exploring what C strings are and why they're important, so you can get a better understanding of how they work and how they can be used in your own programming projects. First of all, we will discuss what are C strings. In programming, a C string is an array of characters terminated by a null character, \0. It is a way to represent a sequence of characters as a single object in memory. Here's an example of a C string that stores the word hello. This line of code declares a character array named mstring and initializes it with the characters H, E, L, L, O, and \0, which represents the null character. The array is declared with square brackets, which indicate that it is an array of characters. Since the size of the array is not specified, the compiler automatically determines the size based on the number of characters in the initialization list. The characters are enclosed in single quotes, which is the syntax for specifying a single character in C. The null character at the end of the array is represented by \0, which is a special character used to indicate the end of a C string. Overall, this line of code creates a C string containing the word hello, represented as an array of characters terminated by the null character. This can also be written using string literal syntax, like this. This line of code declares a character array named mstring and initializes it with the string hello. In both cases, the null character at the end of the array signals the end of the string. C strings are used extensively in C and C++ programming for tasks like reading input from the user, manipulating text, and working with file systems. However, they can be prone to errors like buffer overflows, so it's important to use them carefully and with appropriate safety checks.